All right, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how you can easily brood chicks. Now, this is a brooder that I just built, but I have brooded a lot of chicks over the years, and I did a lot of them like in a kiddie pool. You get those little small kiddie pools and put you some litter in the bottom of it, and then put your chicks in there, put you a brooder lamp like this one, like that one right there, and you put it about 16 inches off the ground, and then put your chicks in there and just watch them. Now this is one that I just built, and I just added a thermostat to it. It's a closed up area, so it's a little bit different than if you were doing these the way I've always done them, which is, you know, just in like a kiddie pool or a great big box or something like that. You want to put your lamp over to one side where they can either get close to it or they can get away from it. And then you just watch them. You can see all my chicks are over there in the far corner, so that lamp is too hot. Now, if I was doing a kiddie pool thing, I would raise that lamp up probably about 4 or 5 inches, go away for about 30 minutes and come back and see how they reacted. You know, when you get your instructions for your chicks, it says you have to have 95 degrees at the head of, you know, at the height of the head of the chick. And the first time I got chicks, I drove myself crazy trying to keep the temperature just right. And then I noticed, you know, the chicks are smart enough they'll get close to the light if they're cold, they'll move away from the light if they're hot. So after I figured that out, for the last 20 years, that's all I've done. Just hang a light about 16 inches off the ground. Put your chicks in there and watch them. If they move away from the light, raise your lamp up just about 4 or 5 inches. Go back in about 30 minutes and see what they're doing now. If they're just kind of moving around, then it's really good. If they're all huddled up under your light, then they're too cold. And you need to lower your lamp down about 3 or 4 inches. And then come back in 30 minutes and see how they're doing. And then you'll get to the point where you can just kind of tell, you know, how high it needs to be. And if they're just moving around and everybody's eating, like mine are starting to eat right now, they're cooling off a little bit, and they're getting happy. So anyway, I hope that helps you some. Don't drive yourself crazy trying to get that 95 degrees right at the head height of a chick. You're going to drive yourself insane. Just start out with that lamp about 16 inches off the ground and then watch them. If they're too close to the light, you move them away. If they're too far, if they're moving away from the light, then raise the light up. If they're huddled up underneath the light, then lower the light down a little bit. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.